Right now we're out here by the Allendale Conservation Club. We got some serious fucking flooding over here in the Spoon River. Here's the bridge. Damn. Fucking A. We're not taking the canoe out, boy. Fucking Spoon River, folks. Shit. Normally it's like way down here is where the fuck everything goes. Damn, it's all the way up to there. Here's the other side of the road here. Damn near flooded up to that fucking house. All the way up. God damn. Some intense fucking shit. Man. We're gonna sign off here because we got cars coming. Later.